Now, two ambassador nominees have appeared before the Defense and International Affairs Committee for vetting. Peter Ogego, the nominee for Kenya's ambassador to Saudi Arabia, was the first to face the committee today, and he was then followed by Johnson Mogoa Kimani Ondieko, the nominee to Turkey. Ondieko once served as a force commander under United Nations mission in South Sudan. Let's listen to how the vetting went on earlier on in the day.
Job opportunities in Canada. But you know, once you are transferred, you really have very little control over certain ongoing measures, because there is an incoming ambassador or high commissioner who takes up from the files to follow up on them. We are not required, we are not expected to have a peep at your former station, but it's a concern. It's something I'm very clear and very passionate about, that is doable. It is, I think, the internal local politics skewed it, and it went a different direction. But the will is still there, it's still doable. With regards to the measures, this is a tricky one. My advice would be to engage the missions. What the ambassadors...
Why I'm suited for this job, I believe my interaction with the international community in terms of the peacekeeping, which I've been in 4 peacekeeping missions. I've been in Liberia, Sierra Leone, South Sudan twice, and Somalia. There's a lot of interaction with the international community in terms of NGOs, IGOs, and international forces. And therefore, as an ambassadorial position, I will be able to take Kenya into a stage where it is required.
Those are some of the nominees for the